Here. And we're just gonna do it all. We're okay right now. We don't got any dirt on us.
Nothing. Greg's still got no broken arms or legs.
Oh, I gotta have music, Colt. 5 minutes in, broke his bike already. Look at this shit, blackout. I wouldn't do it. No fucking way. Break number 1.
Oh, shit.
It fell down, but don't worry, he wasn't on it.
It helped one of the corners. I took my fucking nuts and ended up to my leg somehow.
You got a lot of adjustments to make on your bike.
Hell yeah.
You got, what you got?
I got an adjustment when I'm right in the trash.
Your tires weren't wet now. They are now.
Oh, oh fucking A.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Hey, there's a stump. Jim would hit that. Where the fuck do I go? This is Greg will be the last 20% of the ride. Him laying down.
Yeah, this ain't a piece of shit. This is my cardio for the day.
This is your cardio.
What?
That?
Yeah, that's the part I'm not going over.
The trick is don't look down. Don't kick your bike.
Feel like a one-more bike.
Because then it's not going to make it down the hill.
I'm gonna die.
Probably.
Alright, go ahead and go to the bottom so you can film me dying.
Why don't you go? I can film it from behind.
No, that's alright.
Stop, stop, stop. My seat's in my ass. Damn.
Note to self, don't fall because you're going all the fucking way down.
Dude, I have cleats and they're still sliding everywhere. Good luck. Dude, hold your brake the whole way down and then stop.
I don't have any brakes.
You gotta have some momentum going.
Oh, so that way you're fucked from the shit.
No, you stay straight.
I'm gonna stay straight, my fucking tire ain't even straight.
Ready?
No.
Yeah.
Holy goddamn, I thought I was gonna die.
All right, did all the hard shit. Let's go back down to the trails.
Let's go back to killing Greg slowly.
Why is it on that gear? Oh, that bottom gear is what did it. Where the hell is it clear over there? No. Oh my god.
What? I can't push my bike up the hill. I can't even push it. My ass is so tired. Oh, fucking A.
I felt wet.